Hi, one cute baby. Are you one cute baby? Are you one cute baby? See, Mommy plus Daddy equals one cute baby. Riley. Sister watching Baby Genius in Spanish. Yeah, she thinks it's Dora when we watch it in Spanish, and we don't have to watch Dora all the time. Good trick, huh? Is that a good trick? Daddy bought you boy pants by mistake. He's always buying boy things by mistake. I wonder if it's subconscious. Boy, tell him he's stuck with 2 daughters. Yeah. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. I have to give Sister a nap soon. She has to go potty. You say bye-bye? You can go on your swing? Let's go swing. Say bye-bye.